umurnya? 1, 2, 3, because it's heavy. Pelan slowly. Need strength there. Slowly. A week ago this kid was fine. But life is hard here. Catholic Island here.
Okay.
Here's another kampung, another village, way up in the hills there. What I realize now is how isolated these places are. It's not possible to get help when you need it. No phones, no communication. But lots of humanity here.
Oktavianus Don.
Yeah, that's Nama, the name of this kid.
His Baptist name is Oktavianus.
Look at some more rocks. Kampung village, my friend Gius, who's cousin of Marcel. Far from doctors, far from medical care. Got some little kids. Hopefully they make it to adulthood. Lots of them don't. Getting water, huh, Marcel?
Yeah.
Hard to carry water here.
Like cold water.
Don't have water to the village, so they have to go to the river, which I can attest to is not an easy walk. Really have to go way, way down. Had some pipes, but they're broken. And don't have the money to fix them.
Bunga menghias kuburan.
Bunyi tadi malam and kemarin.
Someone had died.
To let
many
other kampung line?
Yeah. Other village knows.
Bagaimana membuat bunyi itu?
Dari bambu.
Yeah, but orang harus
meniup dan
like,
baru dibakar.
So like satu hari harus
untuk makan Oktavianus.
So he has food to eat the last night. To the river so that they can clean off after the burial here. Who has 5 kids and 4th one, keempat yang meninggal. Papa and sisters. Berapa umur?
Bisa murtaya.
24. Yang paling muda 13. And I told them, semoga umur panjang. Hopefully these kids will have a long life. So, Ibu hoping that somehow we can help here.
Sedang memasak di dapur, everything they cook here.
That's the house where if you hear the wailing, it's still, as people come, they gather around and let out their emotions. Sama-sama. Showing me how they let the neighbors know that there's been a death here, so in other compounds. So for about 24 hours, all through the night, that noise to this bamboo, and somebody has to do that all night long.
Jadi neotar kremalika karega isi kremali di semanani. Sama-sama lite ngaji tong ada kapal itu tangkap dia. Oh tuaka.
Jadi neotar ya keren itu asal tipu nolah pandai kuliah sekat tentang musik ni. Symbol of the voting is like welcome to us.
This is like the ceremony for after 3 days of grief, and it's kind of the end of the ceremony. So I've been invited to be part of this, and about ready to hand out tuak, which is liquor they make. Dad and Mom doing a lot better today. She was able to play with Marcel's little boy. And I guess 3 days of releasing her grief has helped a lot.